Welcome to another edition of the Daily Bread here at Bread Tube and Circuses, wherein I just briefly talk about a few issues of the day. Obviously, since I'm not at home, I don't have access to my computer, so the format's a bit different. I usually do minimal scripting, if any, and there's no editing, so I just record and go. Yeah, as you can see by my hair, it's a little warm in this office. The air conditioning's not working, which is lovely. Usually I talk about a few different things briefly, but today we're only talking about one issue because it's an incredibly important one. The architect of SB8, which was the recent Texas abortion ruling, Jonathan Mitchell, filed an amicus brief on behalf of Texas Right to Life, which was the organization behind that ruling. And he is inviting the court to overturn several incredibly important rulings in terms of equality. Those include Lawrence versus Texas, which ruled that punishment for sodomy was unconstitutional. Obergefell versus Hodges, which enshrined gay marriage as a right in 2015. And Planned Parenthood versus Casey, which upheld Roe versus Wade and created the undue burden standard, which removed requirements for receiving abortions, such as spousal awareness. It ruled those invalid. I mean, the fact that sodomy only stopped being punishable by law in 2003 tells you how far we have to go. And ultimately, what it comes down to is that these fucking dinosaurs would drag us back to the 50s or earlier if they could. And as a non-binary person, I'm not fucking going back in the box. So, they can fight me over it. So, yeah, that's kind of important. Nothing is certain yet, but our rights are kind of hanging by a thread. Figured it was worth talking about. I guess also worth mentioning is that my Twitch channel has reached 25 followers, so I'm halfway to affiliate, which is good because my goal is to do this full time as a job. So thank you all for being here with me. Thanks to all my regular viewers who have started to show up. It's made this a very enjoyable experience, and I hope to do this for a long time. Yeah, if you would give me a like and a follow, maybe comment for the algorithm, that would be lovely. Have a good night.